So guys, here is our app and we're going to check to test run it whether it's working perfectly as planned. So let's click here and let's see what we have done so far. That's what our app is going to. Okay, so the app has opened it to this page and this is exactly what we want to see on this page. So let's assume that we have come to the end of the journey of our app's creation, and now it's time for us um to share this app with our friends and colleagues, and also to post it to Google Play Store. So first of all, we can um there are two things that we can do. There are two ways that we can do this. If we want to download this app so that we can have it on our own phones, we can do it by going to um build, then you go to build bundles APK. This is what you are going to use to build your APK. So that APK will now be available as a file, and you'll be able to send it to your Google Drive, because that's how I do my own. But you can use any other means to do it. But it is a means of you getting it into your phone for you to use and to even be able to share with your friends, despite the fact that it's not yet on Google Play. So you click on build, then you go to build bundles slash APKs, then click on build APKs. Okay, so it's going to take some time to build your APK for you. So it's preparing to build my APK for me, and at the end of the day I'm going to locate where the APK is and I'm going to send it to my Google Drive, where I can always access it as much as I want. If you like, you can use other means to access your own, like you can send it to a flash drive or some other stuff. Okay, so it's actually building our APK. So you say APKs generated successfully for one module. So you click on locate APK so that you can know where it saved it for you on your system. So now we're going to see our um, app that we have created now as an APK. Okay, so now this comes up and you see these two files will come. So this first one is your app, this app debug APK. So that's the file that you have. So you can actually allow this to finish loading. Once it has finished loading, you right click it and send it to either your document or anywhere, depending on where you want to locate your own. Look at the address of where it saved it for you. Build then outpost APK debug. Okay, so it's always good that you send it to where you'll be able to remember. Like for me, I used to send my own to my documents, and it can always be there for you. But this APK file cannot be sent to Google Play Store. If you want to send it to Google Play Store, you use a different format entirely. This particular one is just for you to be able to view your app on your phone and see its behavior on your phone. So it's nice, it will be nice. Okay, so I'll right click on it. I click on this, I'll send it to my documents, and it will go to my document. So from there I can now send it to my Google Drive, and it will okay. I already have a file with the same name like this before, so I still order to replace the file destination. I'll say yes. So it will now replace it and replace it with this particular one. So now I have this same because the name doesn't change. So the one I did before had the same name, and this one too has the same name. So that's why it's asking whether I should replace it with it. So that's it about that one. But then if you want to um take your app to Google Play Store, you click on build. Now what you're going to click this time around is going to be different. Hmm? It's going to be different from what you built before. Okay, to generate signed bundle. Okay, then you click this. Okay, okay, you click on this Android app bundle. You need a signed app bundle for upload to app stores for the following benefits: smaller download size, on-demand app features, access only modules. So you click next. Okay, so when you now come here, you will now click. Okay, so you're here. So you create you click on create new. Okay, so you can now specify a keyword path which is already here. Okay, so you now type the name that you want to save it with. So I can now type Android key and now click OK. Okay, so that's how it is. So now you can put your password and you confirm your password here. Okay, let me type a password and confirm the password again. Okay, so this alias, you can give it any name you want. You can give it the same name, Android. Okay, okay, then password. and now type my password again, confirm the password. Okay, so this is the validity of your app. How long do you want your app to last? So I've given it is 25 years selected already, so you can leave it at this and continue with what you want to do. So you type your name. You can type my Pinto Solutions as the name of the organizational unit. I can say IT. Okay, organization can be Pinto Solutions too. Then city or locality, type the name of your city where you live. Lagos too. Country code is +234. Okay, type OK. Okay, I have an issue here. Let me see where the error is coming from. Okay, I've changed this name to my name. Let me see where the error is coming from. Okay, I still have. Okay, I'm using an incorrect format, which I don't know where to. Okay, let me. This place I edited it's Android key. Let me leave it the way it was before. Okay, I still have an issue. Okay, let me do it again. Let me cancel this and do it again. So create new. I'm going to create new. This is how it was. Okay, let me select the key part. Android key. Okay. So I think the name of the company. Let me see. It's have the same issue anytime I'm trying to enter this. Okay. Okay, so let me see if that doesn't works. Okay, so it has actually accepted it because the information I entered before was Soft Excel, not Pinto Solutions. So that's my alias on Play Store, and that's why it was throwing that exception. I wanted to use Pinto Solution, but I did not use Pinto Solutions to register on Play Store. But then, how do we even, okay, after I've done this, so it has already built the release for me. So this is what you select, not the bulk app again. It's release that you select here, because that's what you are going to do. You are releasing the app to Play Store. So this is the release version of it. Then you click finish. So with this, we have succeeded in signing our app and is now ready to go to Google Play Store. Okay, now our sign bundle is here. So you can click on it. You click on locate so that it will take you to where the sign bundle is. Okay. Click on locate. Okay, so this is it. You see that it's looking different. It looks different from the first one we generated. That one was showing APK at the back, but this one is showing app release AAP. So in order for us not to miss it, let's send this straight to our documents as well. So we've sent it to the documents. So in our next class, we're going to discuss how we're going to publish this same thing on Google Play Store. So now we have what we have succeeded in doing is to get this app out of this environment, and the next environment we're going to take it to will now be Google Play Store.